I'm going to put together the Shark Navigator Liftaway Pro. Got it off Amazon Warehouse. It's regularly $199, but I paid $70.30, and with tax $75.22. And condition was used / acceptable. It says large cosmetic imperfections on the interior of the item. Item will come in original packaging. Packaging will be damaged. This is the original packaging. Really don't see any damage on it except for this. They consider this damage when that label's been torn off. So let's take it out. There's the manual. There's nothing else in here. I want to open this first and confirm that nothing had been used, that nobody had used a vacuum before. Get a pair of scissors. Got that. I don't see any dirt or residue in this canister. So it hasn't been used. Cord seems to be entangled a little bit and had me a little worried, but again, that hadn't been used. And these bags where the parts come in are still sealed. With the red tape around it. These are the attachments. Some of them anyway. I'm not going to put those on there. It's the holes with the handle. There. We got it to click. Click. Okay. We need this piece. Next. That is clicked. That is clicked. Okay. Yep. Missing an accessory. Let's plug it in, try it out. Base floor, brush roll on. Move over there. And it picked up a little bit. My sister had vacuumed, so it's not much to pick up. You push that, and it falls. And that's how you get your trash out. You click it. It's back on place. One side, and then the other side. Okay, you wrap your cord. But that's it. $200 vacuum, $75, tax all in. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.